Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make real sustainable money online. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes you see everywhere. We're going to talk about legitimate strategies that can help you build an income stream right from your computer. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or dreaming of a full-time online career, you've come to the right place. So, where do you even start? The online world is vast, but that also means the opportunities are endless. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills, interests, and the time you can commit. Let's break down some of the most popular and effective methods. First up, freelancing. This is probably the fastest way to start earning. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are bustling marketplaces where people need skills just like yours. Are you a good writer? You can become a content writer or copywriter. Are you organized? You could be a virtual assistant. Got a knack for design? Graphic design is in huge demand. You can offer services in web development, social media management, video editing, translation, and so much more. The beauty of freelancing is that you set your own rate and your own hours. You start by building a strong profile, showcasing your best work, and gathering positive reviews. It takes effort to land those first few clients, but once you build momentum, you can create a very reliable income. Next, let's talk about creating and selling your own products. This could be digital or physical. For digital products, think about what knowledge you have that others would pay for. You could create an ebook, an online course, a set of design templates, or even a software tool. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Kajabi make it incredibly easy to sell your digital creations. The initial work is in the creation, but once it's done, you can sell it over and over again, creating a passive income stream. If you're more into physical products, you could start an e-commerce store using something like Shopify or Etsy. You could sell handmade crafts, unique art prints, or even use a method called dropshipping, where you sell products from a third party without ever holding inventory yourself. Another powerful method is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people as products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You don't have to worry about creating a product or customer service. Your job is to build an audience that trusts your recommendations. This works great if you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence. For example, if you run a blog about fitness, you can become an affiliate for fitness equipment or supplements. You write honest reviews or create helpful content, include your affiliate link, and when your readers make a purchase, you get a cut. It's all about providing genuine value to your audience first. Now, let's touch on something you're doing right now: consuming content. You can also be on the other side of the screen and become a content creator. YouTube, TikTok, blogging, and podcasting are all viable ways to make money online. The primary income source here is usually advertising revenue. For YouTube, once you meet the requirements for the partner program, you can earn money from ads shown on your videos. But that's just the beginning. Successful creators also make money through brand sponsorships, selling merchandise, affiliate marketing, and receiving donations from their fans through platforms like Patreon. Building an audience takes time and consistency, but if you're passionate about a topic, it can be one of the most rewarding and fun ways to earn a living online. Finally, a quick word of caution. As you explore these opportunities, you'll come across a lot of noise. Be wary of anyone promising guaranteed riches overnight for a small fee. Legitimate opportunities require work, skill, and patience. Do your research, start small, and focus on providing real value. Just a small disclaimer before we wrap up. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and informational purposes only. You should always do your own research before making any financial decisions. The possibilities to make money online are truly massive, and we've only scratched the surface today. We've talked about freelancing, creating your own products, affiliate marketing, and content creation. The best path for you depends on your unique situation. My advice? Pick one that genuinely excites you and give it a real shot. I hope this has given you some solid ideas and a clear starting point. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We've got so much more to share on the Babalian Money Show. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.